Change command logo to AMG for Mercedes E-Class W211. Turn on the radio. Now press the key 5, 3, 7. Press them all at the same time and hold it for 5 seconds. You will notice a new screen comes on. Pick the desired logo. For W211, pick the one that is in your region. For example, if you're picking for EC for Europe or US for US. Turn off the ignition, get out of the car, lock the car for 1 minute, and then come back. Then you'll be able to turn on and you'll notice that the screen has changed. Enjoy it. Here's one of the coolest features that I think the Mercedes has. It is totally useless now, but I think it's still very cool. If you don't know already, you can press this button. And then you'll see a CD changer right underneath it. It is totally useless now, but I think it's very, very cool. These instructions apply if your navigation system or command unit look like the one in the video. To change the time, first press the system button, then press the time set button. Next, push up or down to adjust the time, and then push OK when you're done. This will automatically adjust the clock on your dashboard. Thank you. Need Bluetooth music for your Mercedes-Benz? Do not waste your money on the outdated Mercedes Bluetooth dongle. Gizmo Guy Gadget provides an easy and inexpensive alternative solution to add Bluetooth to your Mercedes factory radio. It will be crystal clear without any static. Get it at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com.